Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a new lecture series on Introduction to Programming. Let me explain why you should keep going and what you are going to learn in this video series. This video series is specially designed for the absolute beginners. You don't need any programming experience to get started, and if you have some programming knowledge, it will definitely help you out. In this lecture series, we are going to learn basic of programming, syntax used and algorithms. We will be learning C++ in this course, starting with the history of C language. C is a programming language and it was invented in Bell Labs by Dennis Ridley in 1972. Its purpose was to write operating system. The computer cannot perform any operation by itself. So we have to write some instructions, or we can name it as computer programs. On the basis of computer programs, computer operates. In 1979, C++ was invented at Bell Laboratories. At that time, it was called C with classes. C is one of the famous language, but it has its own limitations. By that time, complexity of computers increased gradually, and so the programming complexity increased. The main problem with the C programming language is as the complexity increases and the program tends to become larger, it was really difficult to write and manage the programs. So new features were added and named it C with classes. Classes are used in object-oriented programming. We will study that in some other course. In 1983, the named it C++. It is commonly used nowadays. Why C++? The C++ runs on the real robots and we want our application to run in real time. In upcoming videos, we are going to learn programming by using C++. Hope this video is informative for you. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.